Many people ask me these days how the farmers' protest is going to be. Now, I just went into it and checked the horoscope of India. Now, what has happened is the farmers' protest started in August, but then it has moved in slowly. After 2-3 months, it had opened up in a big way in New Delhi. Now, what is the parallel planetary position? So what has actually happened is with the Jupiter moving into Makara and Jupiter Saturn in the same Rashi in the close degree, this entire farmer protest has flared up. This is Jayashree, your astrologer. Today I am going to do an astrological analysis of the farmers protest. The first thing is, with many planets in close degree, especially Jupiter and Saturn, there will be lot of tensions in the world. Similarly, now with so many planets in the Makara, the combination of many planets like Jupiter, Saturn, Sun, as well as the Venus, it's not going to be easy. For instance, when Jupiter had moved into the Makara, close to those days only, the farmer protest had opened up in Delhi, where many people have moved in Delhi. So as the days went by, when Jupiter, Saturn and Sun were in close degree, there was a violence. That is on January 26th. Now, if you see from the horoscope of India, because we also have an horoscope, with the Indian independence chart, we see the entire thing is a conglomeration of the planets in the 10th house. So there's so much of tension in the center because it is a negative conglomeration of the planets. So the Jupiter, Saturn and Sun in close degree trigger so many violence with the policemen and the farmers getting involved. Sun, Saturn are the inimical planet. Now people are saying you have to do this, you have to do that. I would say no. Planets have more hold on human life and human mind than what we think. So the human mind to think straight in the farmers issue will not happen till Sun moves into Kumbha. That would be the first level of calming will happen in the farmers protest, which is after say February 15th. Slowly there can be a slowdown, or the farmers or the government coming into a midway of getting a solution will happen as Jupiter is moving away from Makara and getting into Kumbha. Will the farmers protest stop immediately? No. As per the astrological analysis, it's going to be few months time before there's going to be a concrete conclusion coming inside. And will the concrete conclusion on solution will come in the first go? No. You have to do a repeated attempt. It will be 10% moving. You have to implement. There will be a changes. Then once again 20% implementation. So it will be a slow process. Only with the movement of Saturn out from the Makara into the Kumbha, you can really crystallize the formula as well as calming down of the farmers protest. Till then, it's going to be the same way. Delhi will be a pot boiler for the farmers. Thank you.